Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make this crochet star. I'm using this 4-ply cotton yarn. Each roll is about 50 grams, which is around 120 meters. 3 mm crochet hook. In this tutorial, you will learn to make half double crochet, triple crochet, and double triple crochet. Create a magic ring. Roll twice around your finger. Hold the loop with your finger. Insert the hook and pull through, and yarn over. So this is the magic ring. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. In the magic ring, make 14 double crochet. This is the first chain 3. Counting as first double crochet: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Push all together. Pull the tail, and you will see there is a moving yarn. Pull the moving yarn. Once you pull the moving yarn, it will tighten the other yarn. In case if you will get confused, remark the third chain. Pull it tight. Slip stitch to the third chain. So we have completed the first round. Chain 2. In the same stitch, make a half double crochet. And next, make 2 half double crochet in each of the stitch. So including the first chain 2, it will get a total of 30 half double crochet in this round. And slip stitch to the second chain. Round 2 completed. Next, we are making the last round. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is the last stitch. Chain 1. In the last stitch, make a single crochet. In the next stitch, make a half double crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet. In the next stitch, make triple crochet. Make a double triple crochet in each of the last 3 stitches. Counting from the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch to the 6th stitch. So you will need to repeat for a total of 5 sets. Here we have done 2 and continue for a total of 5 sets. So here we have completed the star, chain 1, leave about 80 centimeters for sewing purpose, hide the excess yarn. And I'm gonna tie a knot to double secure. If you don't need this for sewing purpose, you can always cut and hide the yarn. In order to flatten the star, spray some water, iron the star. So this is one of the elements that we're gonna use in one of our upcoming tutorials. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next tutorial.